Right, today I went shopping over Christmas and bought myself a little present. I'm starting to do a lot more commuting on this, and some of the roads I go down are currently being resurfaced, and a lot of grit and dust and little stones going through the air. And I want to protect my radiator guard, so I went onto eBay, bought myself a tube protector radiator guard. This one was 30 quid from a UK seller. Actually feels pretty decent. There's no issues in the paintwork, or the surfaces feel nice and smooth to touch, so it shouldn't be a problem. Came with all the mounting bolts, and so all I have to do today is unbolt the existing securing bolts, put one bolt through the top here, bolt the spaces at the bottom, and then that should slot in there. Now the problem is all of the access bolts for the radiator are from the back, so it's going to take a lot of time to actually get there. And what I'll do is I'll bring you around so you can see where that is. But it should be a slow process to get them off. Once they're off, all you have to do is secure these in, but from the bolt head side, it's closest to the engine, so all you have poking through is just the Allen head, and then you can actually use a 10mm on the side where you've got the most leverage and space. Now, I've made my life a little bit harder because I've kept my engine bars on, mainly because I don't want to be asked to take them off. So I'm going to bring you around to show you what's going to come off. Okay, so I've turned the wheel this way, so I can access this bolt here, which again is secured by 10mm on the back to a captive nut. That has to come off, and then underneath here there is another one there and there, again 10mm on the back side to a captive nut on the front side. They're rather awkward to get to, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm hopefully going to be lucky enough to get a ratcheting 10mm behind the back, but I'm not counting on it. So I find the easiest way is to peer through. Instead of accessing from this side, I peer through from this side so I can see the back part of this bolt. And hopefully I can put my hand up underneath. And yes. Let's try the bottom one. So it should just slot over like so. This bottom bolt in so I don't lose the fan. So what they don't tell you is you can, from just behind here, get access to the top mounting bolt just there with a long thin Allen key, and that is the best way of feeding that initially through. I spent quite a while struggling before I got that point. Other than that, it all gets loosened up, connected up, nice and loose, ready for the next part. All right, we're back. I had to go and get everything because I've left stuff inside, predominantly one of the spacers. So, spacer goes on after washer, spacer, and then should just be a case of hook, and then nylock nut. So let's loosen all of that on. There's quite a lot of space on the other side. Same round here. Should already put the spacer on before I got to that, but that was silly. Now, I'm just putting on a dab of Loctite because I am missing a nylock for the top here. But what I'll do is I'm going to go get one. And for now, a little dab of Loctite keeps everything nice and tight. So hopefully, it should just be a case now of ratcheting it all together. And that is all fitted. So you can see here there's a nice gap all the way around so it's not making contact. Seems securely mounted. But that is a little bit of protection on against those shitty roads. Okay, thanks very much. Hope to see you next time. Cheers.